name is Harvisha. Welcome to the Harvey Studio, where we make fun, colorful crochet accessories. I love crocheting. Outside of crocheting, I do have other things that I like to partake in. I love stop motion animation, specifically paper cut stop motion animation. I also love graphic design. I'm really good at drawing. Right now I'm wearing a hoodie that I made just for fun. These are called my freedom feeders. I do a lot of drawings, but right now my drawing has been more dedicated to motherhood and down to the specifics, breastfeeding, because I am a breastfeeding mother. I hope one day to just have like a line of hoodies just for breastfeeding mothers that are easy accessible for breastfeeding, and some that are cool. I'm trying to learn how to sew. The only thing I can really do is a good zipper pocket. Making a zipper pocket was so important for me because I specifically love to crochet bags. Adding a lining to a bag just makes it that much better. Also, I want to be able to make my own clothes one day. Let's go into the expectations, what you should expect from my YouTube channel. So number one, you're probably going to see a lot of design tutorials. I'm going to be sharing tutorials of things that I made, but I'm not going to be showing them in the full capacity. Like, for example, a granny square hat. I'm not going to show you how to do the granny square itself unless it's a granny square that I made up myself. There are so many amazing granny square YouTube videos to check out, and I'll most likely even put a link to a good granny square video. I'm just going to show you how I designed that hat with those granny squares. But I want my channel to be more like you're a designer. I'm all about creativity. I want you to be more inspired. Of course, there are people who need a pattern word for word. They need something to copy. I totally get it. I'm more of an artist, a creative, so I just want something that'll open your minds a little bit, and I want you to feel the need to try new things when it comes to the art of crocheting. I might have some mini vlogs. I want to be able to show people how I incorporate crocheting into my daily life, especially due to the fact that I am a mom, I am a wife, I do have to cook and clean and do all this other stuff and crochet at the same time. And on top of that, I go to markets. I just want to do mini short vlogs of kind of just my family life. So you may see a tiny little 10-minute vlogs maybe. And the last thing you should expect, because I do the markets, really want to see more market content. I love watching YouTube videos, especially watching crochet markets, like live crochet market vlogs. Those are so fun for me to watch. I like to see other people's experiences. My only thing is I mainly see plushie content, crochet content, but I don't see as many crochet wearable content. Most of the time it's a mix. Like their main thing is plushies, but they may have a couple of tops and stuff like that. I don't see a lot of crocheters that do wearables, do markets, and I totally understand because it is a lot more work and you will probably charge a whole lot more money. I do have a perspective. I don't want to call it an unpopular opinion, but I do believe though that you can charge your top dollar for your items, like your true prices, if your items are like, they gotta be different, have really good branding in order to make it happen. That is my belief. So this week I do have a market, a local market out here, a local downtown market in Ocala, and I sell there. I can literally go, if I wanted to, I can do every single Saturday, but that gets a little overwhelming, especially with having my daughter with us. Just want to keep it chill, let her be able to have fun, and my husband also, let them enjoy their Saturdays sometimes, just being free, chilling at home or doing whatever. I am working on doing a couple of granny square hats with my scrap ball of yarn, Mrs. Scrappy. I've been turning it into granny squares. Here are my granny squares that I have right now. These are pretty. I love this one. I just think this one is so pretty. Look at that one. You just never know like the colors, like the combinations you're gonna get. It's so cool. And you know how like you go and look at colors on Adobe Color? You try to find good color combos? Well, that's kind of what these granny squares are to me. If I want to find a good color combo, I can see what colors work together. I'm gonna end it here, guys, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.